Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Vikas in Designs. I'm doing my master's from NID Bangalore and I'm doing Universal Design course. Those of you who are new to this channel, basically I talk about designs, what happens in design college, and what happens when you get into NID Bangalore. So, as I said in my previous video, that I'll be posting weekly uh, all the updates, what has happened per week. बस trust me guys, it is hectic. बहुत ही ज़्यादा काम था, so वो नहीं हो पाया. Okay, so anyways, it's never too late. So, so the main idea behind the first week was make us sensible toward design. So yeah, so full week was designed like a way that we had different guest lecture from people coming from IASC and IAM, people coming from industry like the legend people of NID and alumni. They come and give their sessions, their experiences. They were sharing their experiences. They were sharing their perspective of design. And in mid between, we used to watch some documentary movies also, like Helvetica, or we were introduced to Dieter Rams, this good designer, industrial designer, and and sometime we used to uh, s- get explained by the faculty lead of each course. So in NID Bangalore, we have five departments, calling it like universal design, digital retail experience design, digital game design, information design, and interaction design. So I feel this was the one of the most interesting part because why? Because we we as a whole class, so in foundation we are like 97 people, including all the departments. So we sit together in a hall and and they introduce the course to all of the students. So even if I'm not from interaction design, I used to I get to know about कि interaction design वाले लोग क्या पढ़ेंगे, photography, uh, research, infographics, all of these things. Digital game design वाले people क्या पढ़ेंगे, story writing. So story writing, movie building, Blender, 3D softwares, all the things. So what I like about this thing is like you used to get to know कि तुम्हारे जो कलीग्स हैं, फिर तुम्हारे जो सॉरी कलीग्स नहीं, तुम्हारे जो फ्रेंड्स हैं, वो लोग क्या क्या चीज़ सीखेंगे. सो डिज़ाइन इज लाइक दैट ओनली. डिज़ाइन में ऐसा नहीं कि आप मैंने ये सीखा मैं ये करूँगा. इट्स अ वेरी open-ended thing. So you can do different thing. You can take support or help from other department also. So I'll just give you a brief what had happened each day. So we watched a movie called Objectified is a documentary directed by Gary Housewood that explores the creativity behind everything from toothbrush to tech gadgets. It features interview with designers, including Jonathan Ive, who was a Apple chief designer earlier. This documentary highlights how everyday objects are crafted, how they have been made, what thought process have been taken before designing any project or any object. So it was something new to me. There are a list of guests who have come. For the first guest was Aditi Ranjan. She is a NID alumni. She is a senior faculty at NID. She was a textile design student in earlier days, like 1980. I forgot that year. Then we have a Vishal who is a professor at ISC Bangalore. So not only design colleges, but what he was saying that colleges who are into management, colleges who are into science, they are also feeling the importance of design. So everyone is like no looking from their perspective what design is. So we have the next guest was founder and creative director, the filmmaker called Suresh Ariat. He's a director and founder of his animation studio called Studio Escasaurus, sorry. His film Tokri won National Film Award for the best non-feature animation film. And what I was impressed by his work. He was a very good human being. Like no, he was so down to earth that I can't explain. Like no, mm. And one of the most important thing which I like about him is that he was saying that we have a lot of stories in around us. So whatever you're doing, try look up the story, like no, around you. बहुत सारी स्टोरीज होती है हमारे आसपास. सो तुम्हारी नानी दादा अंकल पापा कोई ना कोई तुम्हें स्टोरी सुनाते रहते हैं पुरानी चीजें. क्या हम लोग उसके एलिमेंट क्यों नहीं समझ सकते हैं? सो इफ यू चेक हिज यूट्यूब चैनल, आई एम पुटिंग इट इन द वीडियो नाउ. Then one of the next guest lecture we had was Ganesh and Prabhu. He's a professor of strategy at Indian Institute of Management and Science, IM. So IM being a management college, now have they have started looking about design. So I was very surprised, and I like this thought, but where there is always a fight between, I will say, in my experience I've seen that there's always a fight between marketing team and design team. Okay, so marketing team has different thought process, whereas design team have different thought process. So they keep fighting on some other topics. But what if we as the designers learns what marketing is, how to what are the challenges comes when you're going for the sales or the marketing, and when marketing teams look at designers problem, like uh, what is important when you design, why we should not avoid small things in the name of cost cutting, all those things, to what is the user experience, right? So if they will look at our designers perspective, there will be a common bridge where they can walk and do something which is amazing, planet. So, but this first week was one of the amazing week. I'm telling you guys, amazing people, and I'm liking it a lot. बहुत ही मजा आ रहा है. In between, ये hectic क्यों हो रहा है? Because classes तो चलते ही हैं, like there are a lot of things happening. And in between, you have different guests coming up. There's something called Gyan Adda where they call some alumni. Uh, last week, uh, last week one alumni came for Gyan Adda. She was designing at Apple, and she was talking about how to take user feedback or how to conduct research in a 2-hour workshop or kind of things. And also a lot of uh, events happening, like icebreaker with seniors. So we had a 1 week plan where you will be given with one senior name. All the juniors will be provided with one senior name to whom you have to uh, talk talk for a week. You will talking to the senior every day, taking selfies, going out for the dinner, or exchanging gifts at the end of the week, which was very interesting. So every one of us enjoyed that thing. uh, then sometime we have this music balcony session where after the classes you go there, you can play an instrument or sing a song. Everyone will gather around, they will talk. It's a very, like, taking senior batch and our batch. It's around 200 people or less than that, 150 or 200 around than that. Very small people, and everyone is so good and so humble. Faculties are also very good. They are very approachable, down to earth, awesome, very awesome. Like awesome is the word I can say. And then we have a movie screening also. We have an auditorium in the college where we watch movies like Inside Out 2 we have watched, Tumbad we have watched, and that's also a very fantastic experience. We have a table tennis uh, a table where we play table tennis or foosball, all of the things, like we have a very special, very good resource center called KMC, Knowledge Management Center. Yeah, KMC, where you will find interesting books. So what I like about NIT is, like, they will tell you what they're going to teach you. So they will give you context about what you will learn after this course or after this module or after this subject, which is far different than NIFT. So when I compare, I have done my bachelor's from NIF Bangalore. So the strict difference which I feel is this one only, where we used to get brief of doing something. We complete our project, we do all of the research, and finally we do something in the last. Uh, and then after the submission, or while doing the submission, or while doing the final work, we get to know कि अच्छा, this was the objective of this, इसलिए हमने किया, इसका ये करके ये सीखा हमने. Whereas in NID, they will tell you everything beforehand. You will get to know ki what is this course, how much time it will take, what you will achieve in this, what are the objective of this thing, who will teach this, all the things like duration, time, कितना लगेगा, time क्या होगा, कितने credits होंगे, everything. So I like this approach better than the one. So be with me, guys. I'll be coming up with more of the content, and please comment what you all want in the comment section. Okay. Till then, take care and design. So the collection of students is very weird, like very different background. People are coming from different background. Two of the students are from they have done MBBS and they have come to doing masters. Some people are from some people have done CA. A lot of them are architects. A lot of them have come from agriculture background. So it is very vibrant mix of people over here doing masters. So this is also kind of unique thing to me. Yeah.